Mornings. Okay, let's do this. A brand new day. Time to shine. The sun's already up, and so should I. Let's see what today's got for me. Good vibes only. Coffee first, then we conquer the world. The best part of the morning, hot water and my favorite shower gel. Nothing feels better than this. It's like washing away all the sleep and stress from yesterday. That scent. So fresh. Okay, time to wake up for real. Today's gonna be amazing.
The coffee here is really nice today. I always come here when I need to unwind. Anyway, how was your day? You sounded super busy when I called you earlier.
Faceless videos are trending, and one great way to keep viewers hooked is by extending your video using an avatar. So let's dive in together.
Okay, so we're gonna start here on ChatGPT, but if you don't have any avatar in mind or anything to write to create your avatar, so it's gonna be a problem. So let's just head over to this website called Pinterest. So what you're gonna need to do, you come here to the search bar and then you're gonna search for beautiful African model. So there will be lots of African models that will come through, and then you just need to select the one that you love. So I'm just gonna go with this one, and then I'm gonna click here on these three dots and then download the image. Okay, so the image will be available in my computer so that I can be able to use it. Okay, so you come back to ChatGPT and then you bring back that image like I did here, and then this is what you need to write. Please use the reference image to create the avatar. Please turn this image into the 3D pixel style and also create the full details prompt. Okay, so you just need to make sure that you put that all the details that you want into your prompt. Make sure that you add it on. So if you don't want the 3D pixel style, you just want your image to look like real, like the way it looks, just make sure that you point it out there. So you can also further personalize the avatar by adding details about clothing, accessories, the place. Just make sure that you include those specifics in your prompt, and that's all you have to do to customize on base on your favorite reference image. So now I've got my prompt. They are different because they have a different, it's the same person but in different places. So you can ask ChatGPT to recreate that for you so that you can have a wide range of different same avatar in different places. Okay, so these are my images that I created on FlexClip AI. So you can use any other platform to create your images. So mine are actually beautiful. I use this OpenAI GPT image 1, which is the same as the one that you find on ChatGPT. Okay, so you can just come here to create those beautiful images. I actually love this one of the GPT image. They're actually very nice. And then you can come here to put your prompt. This is where you need to put your prompt, and then you choose the style. If you're looking for the photo, you click photo cinematic, you click cinematic, and then if you want the anime, you click on the anime, then you will choose the different types of anime that are available on here. And then on this side you can just add the reference image if you want to use the reference image. So with this one I go with 3x2. There is no 16:9 on this model. I don't know why. And then on this side then you click on how many images you need, so you can just leave it on one. You don't need to add many images. So I'm actually happy with the images that I created here on FlexClip AI. Okay, so now we're gonna come here to the extender. This is the feature that we want to give it a try. So you've got 10 days only, no credit required. So I'm going to be using this for free just for now. So what you're gonna need to do, you're gonna click here on this extend platform. So we click right here. Okay, so we're gonna start here on this model. So we're gonna leave it on this V5, the new model, and then we're gonna come here to the duration, and then you can select the duration you want. I would love to use the 8 seconds, and then comes here to the resolution. I will go with 540, so I cannot go over that because of I'm on a free trial. Okay, and then I comes to the style. Okay, I can just leave the style alone, and then leave the off peak also, of peak mode alone. I cannot use that, and then leave everything like that, and then we'll come to this side of the image. This is where you need to bring the video, so you click right here. If the video already added them into the platform, you can just click here on the assets, so you will find them here. So you can just take any of the image that you want to use to extend. So I can just click on this one, and then I confirm it here, and then here I just need to put some prompt. Okay, so now you're gonna come here to the prompt. This is where you need to put those extended prompt. You need to bring something that the AI will use in order for Raid to create that extended videos. Another thing that you can do is to ask ChatGPT to help you to write the prompt. She goes out of the bed and start to fix the bed. She walks out of the bedroom. Okay, so I'm gonna just click right here for the Pixabay to create the video for me. So it's not gonna take long, as Pixabay is not taking long. Their video creation is very, very fast. That's one thing that I like. Unlike other platform like Link, you can wait for 24 hours in order for you to get your video results. So Pixabay is actually great. It's giving you 60 credit to use, and now they are actually giving you for free to create extended video on this new feature that they have just implemented. Okay, so the video is ready. Okay, I just want to extend this video for the last time. Okay, so I just want her to open the door and go out. So I'm just gonna click here to extend, and then it will give me this option of writing something. So she's waking up this way, and then she's wearing the pajamas, and then she's actually lazy to wake up. She doesn't feel like waking up. She's still in the morning, so she's tired. As you can see, she's busy fixing the bed there, and then she goes that side, and then she just opened the door, and then that door looks like she's going outside. It's not like it's going to the shower. Okay, but this is actually nice for me. It's actually great, as she understood that I want her to open the door. She definitely opened the door, even though it's not the same, as it's not the exact same door that I want her to open, but it's something it did what it understood what I was looking for. And I'm afraid we came to the end of our tutorials for today, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. And then if you did, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and I will see you in the next one.